I'm debating Frigidaire versus LG refrigerators. Which one do you think I should get?
Boy, is that a challenge.
What? Are they both so good you can't decide?
They say that all happy families are alike, but those that are unhappy in their own unique way. Both are bad, but in their own way.
Give me specifics about what is bad about each brand.
Frigidaire fridges have reports of the fridge light getting too hot. In many cases, it melted the plastic inner shell, while in rare cases burned the fridge or even set it on fire.
And I thought the worst it could do was short out or die regularly.
Even if it didn't melt and warp the top of the fridge, the overheating certainly ruins energy efficiency as it generates heat. And that's assuming it doesn't make things so hot it ruins the food.
What goes wrong in LG fridges?
Compressors, motors, electrical problems, the control panel, humidity control, fit of shelving. I'm sure I'm forgetting something.
Moisture buildup?
That's something Samsung is for, not LG. Samsung fridges often generate so much moisture that you'll find impromptu vegetable soup in your crisper.
At least LG is a cheap brand.
I wouldn't consider getting what you pay for a good reason to buy a refrigerator brand.
LG is generally cheaper than Samsung. And quieter.
I wonder if the unit that seemed so quiet was actually running at the time. Their main boards tend to conk out, shutting down the units.
How is their customer support?
Samsung often sends repair techs over and over again, charging you each time. And the warranty doesn't cover the unfortunately common problem of replacement parts failing.
That's bad.
At least LG charges you less for their poor quality.
I don't consider that a selling point.